YouTube. What we got is another Amazon package. Let's get right into this. And we got the... Ooh. The lighting messed up a little bit there. Ooh, what's up with the lighting there? Ooh, what's going on? What's going on? So we got the, sorry about that delay, we got the Amazon Echo Dot. This is a smart speaker that lets you control it with Alexa voice, lets you play music. Like example over there, Alexa, play to this top hit. Call mom, in case you need to call mom. So let's get right into this. That boy comes with that beautiful, easy to open Amazon packaging. It is Amazon's most popular, one of the most popular smart speaker on the market. Ooh. And another unboxing for you. And there it is. That's the speaker. Oh, it's pretty heavy. Really good quality. Seems portable enough. But I'm pretty sure you gotta plug this into an outlet. And there you have it. That's the Echo Dot. Hit the volume up, volume down button. Two other buttons that I have no idea what they do, but I'll tell you guys in a sec. More Amazon packaging, some sort of guide, and another Amazon guide. It's random, probably a manual, and things to try. Enjoy your favorite music, ask your questions. So it's basically like a Alexa in a speaker. And there it is, your power outlet.
Let's get this open as well. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, this is fucking tough to open. And I made those weird ass sounds for no reason, but we'll put this to the side for now.
But let's look into this Amazon Echo Dot. Let's give you an overview of that. So the wiring, you're gonna put this, oh, it's an elastic band. Wow, that's different. So you're gonna put that into one of these holes, this one, plug it in, and there you have it set up. Let me plug that in actually. See if we can get powered up. And there it is, the cool blue LED light. Damn, that looks, I think the camera doesn't do justice, but that light looks hella cool. So apparently this is Amazon's really
Hello. Your device is ready for setup. Just download the Alexa app and follow the instructions. Bonjour. Votre appareil est prêt pour la
Bonjour even comes in français.
Alexa et suivez les instructions.
Let me turn that down. So there you have it. It wants me to set up, download the Alexa app, but really cool, honestly. It's a smart speaker. You'll be able to make calls through this, but calls will go through your phone. You can set up, you can play music through this. If you have Amazon Prime, you should have come with Amazon Prime Music, or you can get Spotify like me. So I'll leave a link for this down below where you guys can check out the pricing. I believe it's around $50 US. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like. See ya. Catch you later, YouTube.